scenario wherein we have a customer ID which is sorted on customer ID, this data set, and the customer ID and card type, the credit card it is getting, holding, right? So there are multiple different type of credit card, let's say, okay, or probably any other badge of recognition, okay. So he got three awards or types, let's say platinum, gold, silver, and customer ID 222 got ruby, gold, platinum, diamond, etc., etc. And similarly, there are multiple customers, and while looking at the data set, it looks like it is sorted, okay. So the ask is like, who has all three, diamond, platinum, and gold. So you need to identify the customer who has all three and classify it as a premium customer. So that's what we need to do. So there is a sorted data set, and how we could do is like, we need to have all those information, card type information in a single time or a single record, and then I can compare because I know who is called the premium customer. So I have these values. If you know if it is a diamond, platinum, and gold, by looking at the data set, it looks like 222 has all three, like this diamond is there, platinum and gold, right? So for this data set, my output should be 222, right? And whatever it has the number of cards. So this is my expectation. The people who got all these three, I need the name of the customer ID and all those card type it is holding. So this is the requirement. So simply what we can do is uh, we need to have some kind of roll up, right? That's when we will have a key based processing. So for a particular customer ID, I need to have all these information within one group, right? I need to have some kind of vector or string concatenation which can have all these three, platinum, gold, silver, all those 4 or 5, right? And then I can compare this vector with my vector. My vector is all those three, right? So let's say we create a vector of 3 element, like we will have exactly 3 element, let's say, okay, and premium and all. So if you want to make it more generalized, we can accept the classification from the parameter, and then we will do the way we wanted to do further. But for this instance, let's say we have a constant definition of this, right, and one classification only. So for this, what we need to do is we have defined the constant vector, okay. My like, whether you define or not, it doesn't matter here, because what we can do is like, uh, let's say we'll see, how we can on the fly we can create a vector out of these three values. You don't have to define basically. So I have just commented it currently. So I need to define the type so that I can traverse the number of count of these, you know so whenever my count is 3, then only I will pass that customer to the output. So initialize it from the 0 value, and then the roll up will accept the temporary type and then input variable, and count is only incremented if card type is belonging to any of these three, else we will return the same count, okay. So if any customer who has all these three, then finally the temp count for that group should be 3. Temp card type I'm accumulating in one string C types, right? That is also declared in let's say C types. C types and string concatenate, I could say string concat in dot card dot c types. So it will keep on appending the c types. Finally, card types is going to do temp dot c types, customer id, count, and output select only whenever the count is 3. So only the customer number 222 will be passed out of it. Okay, so this small manipulation of variables and all in the expansion rollup function, all those functions you can take care of it. Okay, thank you so much.